think it's always important, man, to reach out to people if you can, man. So anyway, we'll roll out. Hey there, it was tow trucker back. Looks like we got a Nissan Murano back over in that corner. I don't want to spook them over there trying to shoot a video, so I gotta. When you see these cars, man, you just got to go over there and get them. You know what I mean? One of the things, man, you can be reluctant to hook a car, but it don't work in this kind of business. You got to go over there and take that car. That's what we're fixing to do. Let's get it. This car here's got a flat tire. It's been it's got a bad tag and a flat tire. It's been sitting here for a while, but you can't never judge that by whether or not somebody's going to come out. They'll come out anyway. That car will sit there 2 years and they'll still come running out and tell you not to take it. But anyway, we'll roll off to the next one. Hey there, tow trucker back. I got one up here. I got a white Honda Odyssey. I gotta go up there and check the tag, man, because I don't want to lose this car. If I go over there and make a bunch of noise, I won't be able to hook it. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and check now. Walk up there and check the tag. If it's bad, I'll drop my wheel lift and swoop in there and get it real quick. That way I don't lose it. Yeah, it's still bad. Let me check the other tire. Yeah, it's still got a bad tag. Chances are somebody's driving this car every day, and that's why they're parked in the very front. Anyway, we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it loaded. That's right, man. Got that one real quick and real quiet. Anyway, we're all pulling sign out, man. Get off the property.
143, 143 on a mile. 143.
I went for 1,200. Not too bad.
Oh,
05 model NPR, 72,000 miles, and supposedly it's about to run. Does it really have 72 on it, or does it not have enough digits? There's a 0 in front of the 72. It's digital, okay. 72,000 on the miles.
What's up, man?
Hey, good to see
How
you.
you doing, brother?
Yeah.
Good to see you, man.
Does it dump? It dumps? Oh, wow, that's exciting. Back to bed move. Oop, hold on, he's hooking you back up. Watch out, he's about to move that bed. Watch out, we're moving. All right, how about $1,000 bid? Oops, yeah, $1,000, $1,500. I got about 1,000 and about 1,100.
Yeah.
11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 1,600. 16, number 1,700. 17, number 18, number 19, number 19, number 2, number 21. I got 2,000. Anybody gonna do 2,100? 2,000 to you. Number 6, 2,000 to number 6.
$2,000 on that running the Zuzu. Goodbye.
Hey there. Tow trucker, man, we're back on another one. Looks like we got a flat tire in the van and car right here in front of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it loaded, man. Let's get it. Hello. Hey, what's going on, man? There's somebody sleeping in this car right here. So, man, how you doing? Hey, sir, do you speak English, man? You speak English? Tu comprendo inglés? Yeah, you got a, you got a flat tire?
Yeah.
Your tire's flat. That's why they stickered it to tow.
When did they sticker it?
Oh, yesterday.
There's no sticker on this car.
Yeah, this is in that back window there, man. Yeah. There was one there, and there was another one here. I don't know if he don't have any clothes on or what his problem is. Maybe he won't open the door or talk to me. I basically can't tow the car with him in it. It's one of those catch-22s here. So we'll figure out how to handle this situation. Hey, man, how you doing, bud?
Yeah, hey man.
I'm not trying to bust man. Hey, listen, like I said, you got to communicate with the office. If you talk to the office, You know what I'm saying? She probably would have marked you off the list. And this car's on the list to tow. It's got a flat tire that don't run. So I'm in a position, man. I really need to take the car. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not trying. I mean, I guess you could call the office, but if you don't live on the property, man, it's one of them situations. You know what I'm saying? That it's one of those catch-22 situations. Or can you pay a drop fee? I mean, do you have cash?
No, I'm honestly like. Honestly, this is all I have right now for cash right now.
Yeah.
I went to work like 2 days yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, Monday,
Yeah.
Tuesday. But the guy doesn't like.
Yeah. I understand. I'm not trying to make this hard on. I'm not trying to make this hard on you, man. I
would have tried done something.
Hey, this back row, it's kind of secluded, man. I've yanked stolen cars out of these parking places right here, man. And that's the reason they tow, man. People come in here and they drop cars, stolen cars. All sorts of issues happen. Matter of fact, they just repaired all these buildings, man. They've had code enforcement in here. All these wires, all the wires, they just repaired all the buildings and everything. Yeah. So they got code enforcement coming in here, man. They got all sorts of issues.
I mean, I used to live here. That's
yeah.
That's how I know.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, let me call my dispatch man. Anyway, this guy's he's not going to get back out of the car. Looks like he's living in his car. He's not going to get back out of it. I can't tow the car with somebody in it. I could call the police over here and have it towed, but I'm pretty sure he'll pump that tire up and get the car off the property. Hey, there's tow trucker. And I wanted to give a little explanation on that vehicle that the guy was sleeping in. I could have towed that car. I could have called the police out here and had the police remove him from the vehicle. And I don't particularly like to have to call the police on anybody. That guy's gonna have to fix that tire or it will get towed. There's no question about that. They will tow it. Anyway, I just wanted to give an explanation. Anyway.